Now, last thing, very important, any element you select, you have several options up here at the top to control it. So you have the option for the image, for example, to rotate the image. You can change the height. You can arrange. So if you have elements that are laid out on top of each other, I could, for example, send this to back. And then when I select my item, I'm going to actually be able to grab the text easier than if that was in the front. You can add an image. If you have a placeholder, you can instead just very quickly add an image. So now you have that image. Now, once you have an image, I can add a border to it, for example, and now it's going to create that border. And you can add a link very quickly here if you want. You can change the fill. So if you want the image to be a little bit more opaque, you can do that. You can also remove the border if you want from here. You can lock as background element. You can duplicate, you can delete, and you can also align with other. Now for each type of element, the options are going to be a bit different. So for text, of course, we have the sizing, we can bold, we can change the alignment, we can add links, of course, we can add icons to it, we can add like a numbered list or bullet list, we can add fill as well, and we can also select like the state at which it listed. So play around with everything that's available for each of the different element types